Well, I've had the jab. My nice cotton ball you stick on your arm. Got my bit of blood on it. And now we got to sit in the waiting area now. The naughty chair. The naughty chair until we are safe to go. Right, I've had my second COVID jab, so I'm all jabbed up now. I'm ready for the mothership to come and take me away. So I'm sat here now again on the naughty chair for half an hour. And I know one thing, I'm starving. I got KFC after this, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Right, welcome back, people. Got some explaining to do for you all. Well, yesterday we went out and we did a 7-hour road trip and we picked up a windscreen for our car. So yay, we got a windscreen. And I've had a couple of people come to me and we've gone to their houses and we've done a bit of work on you guys are watching your cars actually. So here's a couple of clips. Yeah guys, this is a car we came up to do a bit of work on. Very nice. It'd be nice when it's complete. It's got a bit of, I know it looks a bit of a wiring mess in it, a bit of a jungle. But when he's got the dash and all in, it looked lovely. And got the big brake kit on. We sorted the suspension out for him. So pretty much built most of that. Here it is on the back, all the back's off. Couldn't get it started, so we figured that out. All it was a signal wire from the starter motor that come out, so we sorted that out. Yeah, and I got another customer, well, to come to me, and I'm basically building his car for him as well. So this is what I've been up to. So let me, I think I can go like this. Da, da, da. So yeah, we got another customer's car here that we're building and making the window frames, and we got another one, and we got a senator that's having some restoration work as well. So yeah, that's what we've been up to. Now our car, the engine cover, I'm not happy with it, so what I'm going to do is we're going to remake the engine cover out of aluminium. That's going to be exciting. I might even do the boot lid as well, and definitely the front, because the front is all funky. So that was going to be coming up in the next couple of episodes. So I thought, you know, I'd give you a little tour of what's going on, and some bad news as well, which kind of hit me for 6, because me and him have become quite close and good friends and whatever, and that's Gary Thompson, the guy that originally back in 1985 hired a real countach and took a copy of it. Sadly, he is no longer with us. He lost his fight with stomach cancer, and yeah, that happened on, when was it? Last Thursday, that was. So yeah, sad to see him gone, and we won't be seeing any more of him. But yeah, because it's getting tearful just thinking about it. Yeah, he was gonna, me and him was gonna do a lot of things. Like we did explain to him what we was gonna do, and sadly we ain't gonna be able to do it now, which is a shame. But in his honour, the build must go on, and we got look what Gary's done to us. You know, he turned us into bloody Lambo builders. So look it up, Gary. We all love you, we all miss you, but we know you're around. He's always around us as long as we're playing around with countaches. So just give you that little taste of what's gonna come, and yeah. So it's not very long, but a little update for you guys. So that's what we're going to do next, is build the engine cover, boot cover and the front out of aluminium. So until the next episode, when that's going to happen, love you all. Oh, and I am going to the Stoneleigh Kit Car Show at the end of this month, so I'll be there. Not sure what day I'll be going on, but I will be there. If any of you are going to be there, we'd love to see you. Say hello, and till next time. Ciao for now.
I'm just a guy who did something a bit outrageous, which is the way I look at it.
Hey boy! How's it going?
It's going alright apart from that bloody dog.
Back in 1985.
In the olden days. Yeah, keep on. That was a countach.